No, I feel very happy. At the same time, humbled. Uh, Happy because obviously it shows that your work has been recognized uh, by your peers, by players, by everyone. The association as well. Uh, Humble is because despite there being so many good coaches who equally deserved to win it, it is bestowed on me. So I'm humbled because of that, because for sure there was one Ferrando, there was Des Buckingham who did very well with their team, and I feel to win ahead of them, I'm very humbled. Since I have already left Odisha, of course on good and equal terms, I'm grateful to them for giving me the opportunity to be the head coach of the Super Cup. In the Super Cup, for me, I'm always and forever will be grateful to them for trusting me. Uh, but my desire to be a head coach was the reason for me to leave Odisha. So possibly I will like to try myself out as a head coach, possibly maybe in the I League, or where I get an opportunity. For me, that is the priority now.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.